Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log on to D2L. Quick little tutorial. First of all, we're going to start with you on your desktop and you're going to go to the Google Chrome app, double click. This will bring up your internet browser. You want to go to D2L by typing it into a browser, either up at the top or in the Google search. Today I'm going to do it up at the top. It's d2l.arizona.edu. You can select it from the drop down as well. Once you get to the login page, you're going to go to log in with your net ID. Type in your net ID first, and then click down onto your password. Be very careful as you type your password in, and then log in. Oh, I must have typed my password in wrong. We're going to type it in again. Hit login again. Oh, it worked that time. Now I'm going to make sure it's my name that's on the alert, and I'm going to use the duo push and hit login. I get an alert on my phone, accept it, and success. Here we are at D2L homepage. I'm going to click on my class and get to work. When I'm all done, I can go up to the top where my name is, down to log out. Yes, I want to log out, and this is how I know I've done it correctly. Yay! Thanks for playing, everybody. Hope you have a great day.